My name is Kim, and welcome to my classroom. I want to help you today to get that job. Get that job? Yes, get that job. When you go for an interview for a new job or a promotion, are you nervous? Are you scared? Did you know that if you just use a few smart words, this will help you to get that promotion that you deserve? Today, I want to use one example of a noun. The one I chose is collaboration. Can you say collaboration? Yes, good job. Collaboration. This is the process of working with someone to produce something. How can this word help you? Well, when you are asked, what will you do here? You simply answer, my focus is to collaborate with fellow colleagues to produce the best results for this company. Listen, again, my focus is to collaborate with my fellow colleagues to produce the best results for the company. That's it. Try it out. See what happens. It will be good. Stay tuned for more exciting words that you can use. Thank you and goodbye.